Hey crypto mates, here's how to launch a hype and good meme coin that attracts buyers. Watch me pull it at the end. First, let's go to Deck Screener to set it up properly. So it's literally going to be in this top 100. It's going to put your client here. So everyone's going to see it. Now, if you have a good client, then it's going to perform well. If you don't have a good client, then, it's going to get washed up in the new posts, just like all these clients right here. So yeah, just make sure y'all get a good narrative. Now, I'm going to show you how to get a good narrative. So what you want to do is go to, find some trending coins. Like, look what the going on right now. Look, we see these coins, Zero coin, Tit coin, Ear coin. We got this coin right here, which I can't say, but yeah, we got this coin, Camel Toe coin. We got so much coins like coming out, just literal coins like this. So I'm gonna copy this. We're gonna do something like Pep coin right here. I'm gonna get back to y'all. So as you can see, I copied the coin. Now I got this Snore coin. I copied it from this one. Some washed out coin, but I think it's gonna pop again. But for the supply, you wanna set that to 1 billion. So just go here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Make sure it's 9 digits. Yeah, you wanna comment on here. Now make sure these are selected so you can actually, rug pull the client. I just got some random description. You want to select creator info. Now for this, you just want to copy the website. So then you're going to copy their website. The website is token name. I'm just going to put SAR. Now what this does, it adds credibility to your client. So a lot more people are going to invest. A lot more people are going to think it's, legit, encouraging you to get more profit. For the Telegram link, we're just going to copy all their stuff. Put SAR AI, the website. And for the Twitter, I'm going to put their Twitter. Now this coin hasn't actually been rug pulled yet. So now a lot of people, it's not flagged on Twitter like, oh, don't invest in this coin. It's just some old coin what hasn't done good, but it's still got a good story to it, so it can still pop. We're just going to copy their the Twitter like this, snore.com. Now what this does, it's going to be snore.com/ and it's just better than creating a full website. So yeah, you just want to select that. Make sure you have that selected. Okay, there you go. It should lock in like that. Okay, nice. So now what you're gonna do is connect to your wallet. Click confirm, and you want to click launch token. Click launch token. Now you want to wait. Proceed, confirm. Now the reason it says all this is because the API is not verified yet, but I can promise you guys it's safe. And if you don't trust it, then just simply don't use it. It's completely up to you. But yeah, click confirm. Now we just gotta wait till your coin gets created. Okay, there we go. You're gonna get this transaction sent. Now just wait for it to complete. There you go. Just wait. There you go. It's gonna say this. Nice. But yeah, there we go. Okay, so you want to click copy. Now you can view your custom web page. Yeah, save this just for now. But you just want to click on View Sign Explorer. Wait for this to load. Okay, nice. So you see we have our token here. You want to click copy address. So just copy this address right here. Then just go on to Radium. Go on to create standard MMA. Continue. Now just swap this out. Put your token here. Same name. Click add, use a token. And make sure you have your wallet connected or it won't show. Put this to 900 million. It's like this, like Sol. So it should look like this. It's like the free fee tier price, 2%. Just like this, as you can see. And then for this part, as you can see, we're starting with $300. So you just want to click here. We're gonna do 1 sol. Quick, and this is the quick pool. As you can see, click confirm. Oh, great. Okay, so now go over to Deck Screener. Then click into any random coin. Copy and paste your token address. It's here. Okay, now guys, all you have to do is just wait. Should take like 5 minutes. As you can see, the client has loaded now. We got a couple buys, got a couple sales, and most of them are just snipers. But yeah. Now, what you want to do? You want to go over to radio. You want to go over to portfolio. Now, go over to standard. Now you want to wait for your pool to load. This can take 10 minutes, 5 minutes. Maximum 15 minutes. So I'll come back when that has loaded, guys. But yeah, guys, while we're waiting for that to load, you just want to keep an eye on the coin. As you can see, we got another buy here for a second. Just keep an eye on the coin. Wait till it gets to about the 5-10 minute mark. You should start seeing some buyers. But yeah, keep an eye on the coin and keep an eye on Radium. Just keep refreshing the page until your pool shows up right here. Now I might do a little time lapse and see what happens here, guys. Hey guys, as you can see, the decline is blowing up. But yeah, what you're gonna do now is keep checking your you want to be quite quick with this, just click minus. Well, pretty much whenever you're happy to rug it, you're gonna put this all the way to the end. And 5.9 sol, nearly 6 sol profit. But yeah, you want to click remove liquidity. Now, if you look in our wallet, you will see, hold on, we have $161. Now you're gonna click remove liquidity and you will see our profit very shortly. So we started with $300. Now you just wanna wait. Okay, $842. Remove liquidity, 516 sol. So it's basically sold the snore and put it back into sol. And if you go to here, remove liquidity, 157 million. Okay, there we go. So now we're on $841. We started with 300, so free. So that's almost $500 profit, $541 profit. But yeah, guys, you see our token is here. It hasn't loaded yet on Phantom, but yeah. Thanks for watching, guys. If you want to do this yourself, keep running it back to back. Make sure you choose good ones like Snore right here. If you want, try this as well. Try Snore, and this might work for you. But yeah, guys, I should see that it ain't simple. You know, I can literally cash this out into real money, like 20 bucks free, you know. Maybe like 20 bucks free, so I'll literally have $800, bro. Like, bro, I can go buy a new TV with that, bro, for real. But yeah, chat, we're gonna try this. Go do it yourself, you know, go use this feature. But yeah, guys, thanks for watching.